Hi everyone, it's Rhea. I'm sorry it's been so long, but I'm back and I'm happy to be here. Over the years, you've sent me images of paintings that you created by following my videos, and I wanted to thank you and share some of these images. I've included the reference photos that I've made available on my website, which many of you have used. You've all done such an amazing job, and I hope you'll continue to follow the videos and share more images with me. I can see from the images that most of you have used Canson paper, which is a cheaper paper to use, and the results are really amazing, especially this one on brown paper. But anyway, I'm going to try to use Canson for some of my future videos. I received this board of paintings from Hannah. Hannah is an art teacher at a private school, and she used my images as references for her students. That was very exciting to hear about. And here's the image of the next painting I'll be guiding you through. I will be posting it soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for coming by.